Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but your girl is back. And today we're going to be creating this super cute cherry bow acrylic nail set. And it's inspired by Pinterest. So yes guys, I got this from Pinterest. I saw it was just super cute. So I just decided to go ahead and do it. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with the pinky finger. We are using the beautiful red from Rosalind. I am going to drop the link in the description box so that you guys can check it out. The Rosalind brand polish, I got it as a set. So it has like multiple colors, y'all. In the next video I might just give you a little video of everything and the box that it was presented in. Cute package, I loved it all. So yeah, so normally I do my Frenches first, so you'll be seeing me doing the Frenches with the red, then I'm gonna go in with the pink. Okay guys, I also want you to know that this is acrylic press-on. So I did the acrylic part of it like quite a while, so but I didn't get a chance to record it at the time, so I just decided to just move from there and let y'all see. But of course going forward I'll ensure to let you guys see when I'm doing the application and all that good stuff. Okay, so now we're doing like a zebra kind of print look, using the red Rosalind color polish. I don't like when my strokes are too like big. I love when they're like thin, and I know it just gives that cute little effect and sort of like being so detailed, and I love to see like my details, so I decided to do it a little bit thin, but hey, look at it, I love it. So yeah, that's the zebra print like style. Okay, so now we're on to the cherry part of it. You can use dotting tools to do your cherry, or I don't know guys, I use what I'm comfortable using, so I decided to use that is actually a cuticle pusher, but it has two sides, the cuticle pusher side and also that side where you can use to clean underneath the nail. I don't know, I'm comfortable using that, but of course I definitely have the dotting tool. Use what works for you or what you're comfortable using. I have the dotting tools in like I think about 5 different sizes. It's always good to have different sizes to use, but hey, I love to use what I like to use. So yeah, I am doing the cherry here. Yeah, so I wanted my cherry to look plumped, so you know, not too big. And then I went ahead and drew the stem, the cherry stem. I normally draw the stem in green, but hey, sometimes I have to just change it up a bit, so I just still continue using the red for the stem. Yeah, so zebra stripes again for the thumbnail. Okay guys, so now we will be using the Puente nail gel, builder gel extension to do the 3D flower. So after I rolled it out, I split it into four pieces and then turn it into a ball. And now I'm using the builder gel tool to form it into the type of flower that I want. Okay, so now we're gonna use a super UV gel to glue on the bow. I use 2 pink bows. So I add the gel on the fingernail first and then I put some on the bow, and that's how you know it stays without falling off or anything like that. And guys, I just noticed that I thought that the top coat part was recorded, so I top coated the nails right after I did the zebra design on the thumbnail before. So I top coated the nail and then I went ahead and did the 3D flower. I'm so sorry, I thought that was recorded but it wasn't. So after top coating I did the 3D flower design, and now I added the bow. Okay, so these stones are so cute. I went ahead and used like the medium ones at the first, and then the other ones going up I used the small stones. Okay guys, so with the 3D flower I decided to, you know, make an outline on it. Just drawing around the edges using the red color polish. Guys, the 3D wasn't on the Pinterest, but I decided to do that, you know, just to add something different. And I just feel like I wanted some flowers, so I just decided to create one. So yeah. And of course we're going to go in with some dots, you know, to bring the flower to life. So I just love to see dots. It was like about 3 or 4 on each side, so just not too much and not too big, just thin dots, small dots. And of course we're gonna cure this. Like, seriously, no. Anyways, it doesn't matter guys. I don't know why it didn't record the first time when it was being top coated and cured, but hey, that's the least. So now I'm just doing a little star on the cherry. So yes guys, the builder gel, it does have, like, it does feel sticky, so I normally go ahead and top coat it. Even after finishing the design, I top coat it. And yes, the cherry as well as the zebra print, the only ones that were top coated previously were the pinky finger and the middle finger, the one with the 3D flower and the bow. So now we're top coating the others that doesn't have any 3D or stones or bow on it. Yes guys, so after it was top coated, I went ahead and dried for 2 minutes 120 seconds, and there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, remember to comment, like, share and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be alert every time we post. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.